everybody. It's cold. I'm wearing a beanie. This is my first beanie of the season. Going to the gym. I woke up feeling, well, really tired, but I woke up really early. So I was like, I need to go to the gym. I need to move my body and just start feeling better. Yesterday was the bar, which was super fun. However, I had a very unfortunate bus ride home where I was being basically harassed, which is not great. And at the end of the day, I'm just really not trying to be bothered by it. It just shows that they're not good humans at the end of the day. So I'm not trying to let that bother me. I'm trying to just keep my head up, do things I enjoy. I went to bed early. Well, no, I went to bed at 11 and I woke up like 6:30, which is honestly pretty early. So I'm on my way to the gym. And then today, today is an indoors day. So I'm gonna do a lot of indoor things, obviously work, and what else? I cannot even think. A lot of editing videos, a lot of admin stuff. So come along with me. This beanie is honestly keeping me so warm. I got it as a gift a long time ago. I'll show you a little bit of the gym. But otherwise, I hope everyone's having a great day. Happy VLOGMAS. Subscribe if you're new here. It's a fun time. I get real. I talk about a lot of things. Okay. I look like an Eskimo. It's so cold. Like, I can't even explain how cold it is outside right now. But I finished the gym and I feel really good about it. I've been doing this thing where I so far have been doing like 2 specific types of exercises. So cardio and then strength. I do still really love Pilates, and I'm going to be incorporating that soon again. But for the time being, cardio and strength is what I'm doing. And for strength, I'm really liking hip thrusts, squats, deadlifts, Bulgarian squats, I think that's what they're called, and something else, I can't even, step ups, with weights, which really activate your muscles, mostly glute muscles, but also get your heart pounding. Like, people think strength doesn't get your heart pounding, and that's completely incorrect. I'm so sweaty. I literally just left the gym, but I don't know, it always puts me in a good mood, working out. So I'm tired. I need a hot shower, but I'm glad I did it. Hello, everybody. So the earlier clip showed me the gym, which was great. We love that. This portion of today's vlog will be unboxing and possibly a trial for a brand that I'm working with. So my current partnership is with VLOGMAS. And this is the package they sent me. So we're gonna open it up on camera and we're gonna see what they sent me. So what was cool is that they gave me free reign to pick multiple items and then screenshot my cart, and then they had me send it over to them via email, and they basically they said that they were just gonna pick items that I was interested in based on their inventory and send them over. So I have no idea what's in this bag. I just want to make that clear. I know what I picked, but that doesn't mean I know what they sent me, because obviously they weren't going to send me everything that I picked. but just some options. So let's start. Oh my God. Okay, I'm already a fan. I'm already a fan. This is the first thing that I'm seeing. This beautiful sweater, and you know how much I love turtlenecks, like I've already shared. So it is so thick. Oh, I'm so excited. I mean, right now it is winter, so I'm excited to just wear all the sweaters and layer up. Oh, it's so, so nice. I will have a discount code also somewhere on the screen and down below, just letting you guys know. This is beautiful. I'm obsessed. What else did they send me? I just really want to pour out the whole thing because I really want to know. So here I am pouring everything out. Okay, let's see what they, there's a lot going on right now. All right, well, let me first count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 items total. All right, so I already showed you that. Oh yes, I'm actually really happy that they sent me this one. I saw this and I was like, oh, I need it. Big cropped gal, like cropped anything, crop tops, cropped literally anything, but this is so unique, and I saw it, I was like, okay, if anything, I want this. But again, I didn't know if I was gonna get it, so it's exciting that they actually sent it over. It's a crop sweater, and also this color is just so, so gorgeous. I would totally wear this with my black leather pants and my Mark Fisher pointed booties. I mean, come on, like this is stunning, stunning. And the material is great. I mean, it is so thick. I know it's gonna keep me so warm. Oh yeah, here is my discount code. I will read that off after this. Okay, third item, they sent me this really nice long sleeve knit top. And this will be really good for layering as well. I can put this with a skirt, like have it like a tucked in kind of style, and then have a scarf on top and then a jacket. So yeah, this is like a nice basic, like an everyday item, I would say. And then lastly, they sent over this plaid skirt. And I really want to experiment more with styling skirts in this season, because people really think that you can't style skirts in winter, but that's far from the truth. There's so many ways that you can style them and still be warm and cute. So I'm looking forward to wearing all of them. Oh, there's a little slit too, if you can see that. Tiny little slit. And I know this is also high-waisted. This is great. Yay. That was my mini haul. My discount code is NK15, if you can read that, but I'll put it on the screen. NK15 is my coupon code, and that will get you 15% off all throughout the winter. Now I will try to figure out how I'm gonna style these like in different ways, but I'm really excited to be working with new brands just overall, because it's obviously just good exposure for my portfolio, just to add more brands under my belt. And I'm learning just so much more about brand relations and partnering and collabs and all of that fun stuff. And this is the stuff I truly love doing. Like, I get so excited and happy genuinely, and that's how I know that this is what I want to do. Also, this sweatshirt is also from a brand that I worked with in the summer. It is Blair Lane Co. And they're a great small business, so you guys should also check them out as well. This is the Sunday Best oversized hoodie, or not, it's not a hoodie, oversized sweatshirt. And I just love tie-dye anything, but I don't own any tie-dye, but I love tie-dye. So I needed this sweatshirt. So they were really kind enough to send me this, and I love it. I wear it a lot. I wear it around the house. I wear it running errands, and it's really cozy and comfy, and I love feeling my Sundays best. So for the rest of the day, I will be honestly working. I do want to go to Whole Foods today because I said that I was going to, because I need to make an Amazon return. I didn't get to do that this week. And then I also decided I'm gonna make banana bread later today because I have very ripe bananas that, you know, I always just like to make use of them instead of throwing them away, because, you know, I'm not gonna eat them because I hate eating bananas on their own, but I love making banana bread, so it's like a happy medium. But I need to go buy chocolate chips because that's how I like making banana bread, is with chocolate chips in them. So a few little errands later today, but otherwise I will just be home listening to music and getting a lot of work done. Hello again. So right now I'm on my afternoon walk. It is brisk, but it's pretty nice outside. I have my last year's Zara teddy coat on. It's just so nice to take a walk. So I'm going to Whole Foods and then I'm gonna go to the bodega so that I can get some stuff for the banana bread. And other than that, I think overall it's just going to be a really nice walk in the park. And also at Whole Foods I always get a chocolate croissant. It's kind of a tradition, so I'm going to get that as well. And like I said, I have the Amazon return. So should be a short walk, but just wanted to keep you updated. All right, just finished my croissant. Also, the Amazon return process is really easy at Whole Foods. If you guys already know, you just go to the Amazon app and then it's already loaded and you just scan your QR code. What I had to return are tights. I feel like I'm still on the hunt to find like the best pair of tights because they truly rip every other time I purchase them, which I think honestly is really frustrating. So I'm still trying to find like really good pair of tights. If you guys know, let me know in the comments down below. But I just got them obviously off Amazon and it was a pack of 3 as well, and within 2 days 3 of them ripped. So I was like, okay, that's way too fast. So at least they have the Amazon return policy and I got some new ones, so we'll try those out and I'll report back. But right now I'm gonna go to the bodega and get chocolate chips and hot cocoa. Lots of chocolate being consumed today. Hello guys, I'm back from my walk. It was a great walk. I didn't film in the bodega simply because I forgot, but I picked up the semi-sweet Nestle chocolate morsels and some hot chocolate because I love hot chocolate and why not get some? So I already have a full length how to make banana bread, how I make banana bread video. I already have that, so I'm not gonna take you through this whole thing. I'm just simply letting you know that I'm about to make banana bread right now. Right now it's about 4 o'clock. And I was thinking I should definitely make the banana bread before I make dinner because if you guys know, the process for banana bread is kind of extensive. At least the cook time and then the sit time. The cook time is an hour, the sit time is an hour. So I will not be eating this for like a few hours. So I thought, why not do it first and get it out of the way? And especially because like I said, daylight savings, the light is like already, it's pretty dim outside. I wanted to get this filmed before then. So that's pretty much that. So let's make banana bread. The ingredients, just for reference, we have our chocolate chips. I like to put 2 whole cups, which each one of these is 1 cup. Half a cup of butter. We have all-purpose flour, unbleached. We have brown sugar. We have our 2 very ripe bananas. We have 2 eggs that we will beat. We have our salt and we have baking powder. So let's get going. Here is how it all turned out. I was a little nervous because it seemed like it didn't cook all the way through, but it did. I left it in for a little longer I usually do an hour. I did 15 minutes past an hour more, and it looks good. Yay! Guys, so I decided I'm just going to film the outro now because I feel like I rarely ever film outros and I feel bad about that. But today was a productive day, I would say. Had a lot of fun just walking around, but just also enjoying music and relaxing when I could, getting fresh air, baking. I feel like we did a lot of things. So join me in my next video tomorrow. Subscribe if you are not already. Go connect with me on my other socials because it's a fun time over there. And I will see you next time.